Well, everyone, I want to go ahead and talk about 3 different reasons why you should probably not go and basically not install iOS 26.2.1. Now, as most of you know, 26.2.1 is that latest and greatest version of software. The number one reason why I would recommend not installing it is if you're coming from iOS 18, it still is looking like iOS 18. The versions of iOS 18 are more stable than iOS 26. So that is kind of one of the biggest takeaways there. If you're on iOS 26, it makes sense to go up to 26.2.1. But if you're on iOS 18, from what I'm seeing, it might still make some sense for you to still stick with iOS, 18.7.4, whatever's available now. That's number one. Number two, another very important piece of the puzzle too is that if you are going through and thinking about installing iOS 26.2.1, keep in mind it is a bigger sized update. A lot of these updates now are increasing in size, so if you have an older iPhone like an iPhone 11 and you are already on iOS 18, keep in mind you might actually be running out of storage a little bit faster than the previous version of software. So that right there is another very big issue. And on top of those things, if you are actually going through and still on iOS 18, the battery life on iOS 26 is looking to be a little bit worse as well. So that's another thing we've been seeing. If you are on iOS 26, the battery life might already be that great. But if you're on iOS 18, going up to 26 is going to be a little bit of a downgrade from what I'm seeing. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.